Today we're going to learn how to order in a restaurant, how to use formal Urdu by watching this drama clip from Zanjeer. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? So, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language with movies, grammar, songs, etc. I do real life conversations as well, and to check all of those videos out, you can go in the link in the description box. So, today's video is going to be like a formal language, how to order in a Pakistani restaurant when you visit Pakistan. So, we're going to watch this clip from the drama called Zanjeer. So, I took a clip from the first episode because I don't want to ruin or spoil anything for you in case you decide to watch. And this drama is very famous. It came out this year, and all of my friends are recommending me this drama. I'll probably watch it later. So in the video, we're going to watch a dialogue and I'm going to break it down for you. I'll teach you different verbs and words, and also I'll just talk to you about the context and everything. Now let's get started.
भैया पुत्र मेहमान आए हैं, तुम देख लोगी या मैं देख?
So Bia is the name of this girl, and the father and this daughter, I think, runs this restaurant. And what he said is, Bia putar, तुम देख लोगी या मैं देखूं? Mehman aaye hain means so it's in the past tense. Ana is an intransitive verb. Mehman aaye hain means the guests came. तुम देख लोगी या मैं देखूं? So तुम देख लोगी, देख लेना is to see, to look, to watch. Here it means to handle. He's asking the daughter if you would be able to handle it. या मैं देखूं. या means or. मैं देखूं. Or should I see? मैं देखूं. So this is a subjunctive mode. So may I see? Do you want me to look at it? Do you want me to handle it myself?
भैया पुत्र मेहमान आए हैं, तुम देख लोगी या मैं देख?
मैं जाती हूँ.
She said मैं जाती हूँ. So here she's saying I go, like in a present simple tense, but it implies like the future decision or the future plan. So I will go. That's what it means here. मैं जाती हूँ. Let me go. I'll go.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम सलाम.
So whenever you meet someone in Pakistan or in most the Islamic countries, you say Assalamu alaikum. That means peace be upon you. It's like equivalent of hello. So hello, Assalamu alaikum. In reply to that, they're saying Walaikum Assalam. Walaikum Assalam. They're just saying in reply, peace be upon you too. So this is like exchange that is very respectful, and it's considered good etiquette in Pakistan to say Assalamu alaikum and in reply Walaikum Assalam. So now let's see.
जिसमें क्या लेंगे आप?
हाईवे वाली कड़क चाय.
चाय के अलावा कुछ और?
क्या लेंगे आप? हाईवे वाली कड़क.
So क्या लेंगे आप? क्या लेंगे? So लेना is to take. It's conjugated in a future tense. So क्या लेंगे आप? What will you take? क्या लेंगे आप? What will you take? What would you have?
जिसमें क्या लेंगे आप?
हाईवे वाली कड़क चाय.
चाय के अलावा कुछ और?
Heavy wali kadak chai. Heavy wali means like very strong. Heavy wali. Heavy wali kadak chai. Kadak chai is a strong chai. Kadak means like stiff. It's a name of a chai that's like brewed together with like tea leaves and just boiled for a while with the spices. It's a most famous kind of chai in Pakistan. Kadak chai. Heavy wali kadak chai. I want a strong kadak chai.
लेंगे आप?
हाईवे वाली कड़क चाय.
चाय के अलावा कुछ और?
So chai के अलावा. के अलावा means other than chai. कुछ और means anything else. कुछ और.
नहीं, मेरा बॉयज चाय के अलावा कुछ और तो नहीं चाहिए ना?
चाय का, मेरे लिए भी चाय कर दो।
हाँ जी, बस।
कर दो मीन्स डू, कर देना is to do. So chai कर दो, like only do chai. So this is a very common way of like ordering food. If a waiter is asking you क्या लेंगे, you'll say biryani कर दो, do biryani. कर देना is to do, and it's conjugated in an imperative or command form. So do biryani, biryani कर दो, कढ़ाई कर दो, दो नान कर दो. So this is how you usually order. Now let's move forward.
बस चाय,
ठीक है।
कड़क।
Bus chai. So bus means only. Bus chai. He asked his friend and they all said only chai. Bus chai. Only chai.
कड़क।
वैसे आप लोगों की मर्जी है सर, लेकिन चाय के साथ हमारे स्नैक्स जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा, बहुत मजे के होते हैं।
से आप लोगों की मर्जी है सर. So आप लोगों की means you people. So a lot of times when you're using you for plural, many people, to make it more clear that you're talking to multiple people, you say logo, aap logo, or aap log, to say like you people, you guys, aap logo ki marzi hai. It is your will, it is your choice. आप लोगों की मर्जी है. वैसे आप लोगों की मर्जी है साहब. That means like it's your choice, it's your will, whatever you want to do doesn't matter. It's your choice, but
वैसे आप लोगों की मर्जी है सर, लेकिन चाय के साथ हमारे स्नैक्स जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा, बहुत मजे के होते हैं।
चाय के साथ means like with चाय हमारे snacks ज़रूर try करिएगा. So try करना is to try. So करिएगा. So it's like a future tense. You should or you should try or you will try the snacks with the chai. They are very famous. So चाय के साथ हमारे snacks ज़रूर try करिएगा. बहुत मज़े के होते हैं, बहुत मज़े के. Very important word or sentence that means like it's so yummy, it's so delicious, it's so tasty. बहुत मज़े के होते हैं. They're very famous or they're very delicious. वो बहुत मज़े के होते हैं. So here she's using like present simple tense to kind of emphasize as a habitual or as a fact. बहुत मज़े के होते हैं. They are very tasty. So she's using it for stating a fact.
स्नैक्स?
जी
ओके, क्या है स्नैक्स?
सर ये मेन्यू भी रखा है, पकौड़े, समोसे, जलेबी, इनमें से जो कुछ चाहिए बता दें।
ओके.
So क्या है means like what is, क्या है. So she said menu भी रखा है. So the menu is placed here. रखा is placed. Samose, pakode, jalebi. So samose, as you know, they are very famous in Arabic as well as Indian Pakistani cuisine. They are very yummy and they have very interesting fillings. And whereas like pakode is like fritters or with a lot of vegetables like eggplants and potato and spinach, etc. And jalebi is like my favorite. It's like a spiral made of dough and it is filled with sugary syrup. It's very crispy and very yummy. These are all the snacks that Pakistani people eat as a high tea, like around 5-6 p.m. During like evening hours, sham ke waqt, they eat these snacks: samosa, jalebi, pakode with chai. This is a common tradition in Pakistan.
सब चीज़ें ऑर्गेनिक होती हैं हमारे अपने बाग की, और हम ओवर चार्ज भी नहीं करते। ट्राई
अपने बाग की, our own बाग is a garden. सब चीज़ें ऑर्गेनिक होती हैं. Everything is organic. Again, she's using it as a fact. हमारे अपने बाग की, in our own garden. हमारे means our own garden. अपने बाग, अपने here means own. हमारे अपने बाग की. हम overcharge भी नहीं करते. We don't overcharge. In Urdu, you use a lot of English words. It's very common. And also very, it's just how people talk nowadays.
इस भी हमारी बहुत मुनासिब है।
अच्छा, मेरा ख्याल है कि नहीं ले लेंगे स्नैक्स ले लेंगे, मुझे भी थोड़ी सी भूख।
हमारी प्राइस भी बहुत मुनासिब है. Our price is so appropriate. हमारी प्राइस भी बहुत मुनासिब है. The word for price is कीमत. हमारी कीमत भी बहुत मुनासिब है. But here she's using हमारी प्राइस भी बहुत मुनासिब है.
इस भी हमारी बहुत मुनासिब है।
अच्छा, मेरा ख्याल है कि नहीं ले लेंगे स्नैक्स ले लेंगे, मुझे भी थोड़ी सी भूख।
So मेरा ख्याल है. So the guy friend is kind of objecting because they don't really want snacks. So मेरा ख्याल means I think he's trying to interrupt, but he's like ले लेंगे. ले लेना is to take. We will take. So it is conjugate in a future tense. ले लेंगे. We will take. मुझे भी भूख लग रही है means I feel hungry. मुझे भूख लग रही है. Hunger is followed by me. मुझे भूख लग रही है. मुझे भी भूख लग रही है. I'm feeling hungry as well. थोड़ी सी means a little bit. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. मुझे भी थोड़ी सी भूख लग रही थी.
लग रही थी. अच्छा, तो क्या आपने कहा स्पेशल क्या?
समोसे बहुत मजे के हैं, देसी घी में बनते हैं जी.
तो
समोसे बहुत मज़े के हैं. समोसे are very delicious. समोसे बहुत मज़े के हैं. So समोसे बहुत मज़े के हैं. देसी घी में बनते हैं. They are made. बनना is to be made or to make. So देसी घी में बनते हैं. They are made in देसी घी. देसी घी में बनते हैं. देसी घी, they are made in देसी घी. So she's talking about samosa.
समोसे के साथ
समोसे कर लें.
हमारी चटनी ट्राई करें, टिम्बर की चटनी और दूसरी पुदीने की.
साथ साथ आप चटनी ट्राई करें. चटनी इज़ लाइक अ सॉस दैट you have to have if you're eating pakoda or samosa. So you should try. आप चटनी ट्राई करें. एक टिम्बर की है और एक पुदीने की. So I don't know what she's talking about when she said timber, because timber is a wood. I don't know, but if you guys know or understand this, let me know in the comment section below. And दूसरी पुदीने की, like it is off the mint. पुदीना is mint. पुदीने की means off the mint. Here पुदीना is declining. The ending is declining because there's a post position afterwards. So पुदीने की. If you don't understand certain grammar points, you can let me know in the comment section, because I have made videos on most of these grammar points. I'll just link them in the comment section. Now let's move forward.
दोनों कर दें.
दोनों कर, ठीक है.
दोनों कर दें. दोनों means both. कर दें means do. दोनों कर दें, like do both. So here you can see a lot of compound verbs are used. करना is the verb, but here it's used as कर देना. So compound verb is when two verbs are joined together, where dena will lose its meaning. So kar de, do both of them. It is the subjunctive mode. So dono kar de, do both of them. So subjunctive mode is also used to give a command. Therefore he's using it as a command. Dono kar de, do both of them. दोनों कर दें.
और कुछ सर?
पकौड़े आपने कहा था अच्छे,
जी.
वो भी कर दें.
ठीक है सर. मीठे में जलेबी ट्राई करेंगे?
हाँ, दिल करेगा खाने.
मजे की.
पकोड़े आपने कहा था. You said. आपने कहा था means you had said. आपने कहा था. कोड़े आपने कहा था. वो भी कर दें means do them as well. वो भी कर दें. Add them as well. Do them like bring them as well.
और कुछ सर?
पकौड़े आपने कहा था अच्छे,
जी.
वो भी कर दें.
ठीक है सर. मीठे में जलेबी ट्राई करेंगे?
हाँ, दिल करेगा खाने.
मजे की.
मीठे में जलेबी ट्राई करेंगे. So मीठे में means in dessert. जलेबी ट्राई करेंगे. Would you try जलेबी as well? दिल करेगा means like the heart will want, right? दिल करना is to wanting of the heart. The heart wants. It's a idiomatic expression. So दिल करना is to want. दिल करेगा, like my heart will want it. So when she kind of like she's kind of tempting them and saying, oh, it's very crispy, the jalebi is gonna be so crispy. Jalebi try करेंगे. So he said, oh, दिल करेगा, like my heart would want. So yes, do them as well. कर दें.
ये बहुत क्रिस्पी होती है. मैं कह रही हूँ ना, बहुत अच्छा खाना होता है.
सही. जलेबी भी कर लें.
आप लोग तशरीफ रखिए, मैं सर्व करवाती हूँ.
थैंक यू.
जलेबी भी कर लें. So जलेबी भी कर लें. So do jalebi as well. So here he's switching from कर दें to कर लें. So कर देना is used for other people, for the benefit of other people. कर लें is used for the benefit of yourself. So here because he wants it, he's saying कर लें. So it's a very nuanced meaning.
मैं सर्व करवाती हूँ. ये बहुत क्रिस्पी होती है. मैं कह रही हूँ ना, बहुत अच्छा खाना होता है.
सही. जलेबी भी कर लें.
आप लोग तशरीफ रखिए, मैं सर्व करवाती हूँ.
थैंक यू.
मैं सर्व करवाती हूँ. सर्व करवाना is to like make, she will make someone else serve. So karwana is when you are making the other person perform the action. So मैं serve करवाती हूँ. She would ask someone else to serve them. So मैं serve करवाती हूँ. I will make them serve. So here she's using the present simple tense, but it's actually the future tense. Like she's just implying for the future action. So this is the scene. Let me know if you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you're enjoying all the videos that I'm creating in the last few weeks. They take a lot of time to edit and to prepare. So your feedback and your like would be really motivating for me. If you want a PDF transcript, you can also become a Patreon member. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.